Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haga arpu fratarik mentau benai jelio arajar khat khandai kakan hon jongki karbi kalapan syayong ya ginong syong khasi penar ki basyong basa haga benta khaput hapdeng ke jela Meghalaya bat Assam haga thain khat saslap ser hadien bakendit kensan kakan hon jongki he sarkar na karbi anglong kila 1 poi syagani ke jaka rengkat ki pulit jong ke jela Assam hadien baki bor penyai district jong ke West Giant Hills kila yo jing tip halor kane kila her marmar syagani ke jaka bania kenduk ya kini ki he sarkar na karbi anglong ki balawan jurip ya kani kathain khapot ter nado na wa mentang bat thmu banya chedo jingkieng kurilia kajingwan jurip kani ka kenhon yakini ki benta khapot kadai halor ka jingkam nongkenti ka jela Assam katkum ka notification jong usnem khat khandai spa sanpuai ba uput usam jong jela Assam ukut hadu hawa mentang haga jing tokit ki bor penya district jong West Giant Hills halor kani ka jingwan kani ka kenhon na karbi anglong sya kani ka jaka ki he sarkar na karbi anglong kilapan phai nia sya ki bor sarkar jong Meghalaya daga ba ong ba ladangin le chiyeng la jong hatungin habban pan jingbit se hapo kani ka kenhon na karbi anglong ki balawan sya kani ka benta khapot hagani ka sngi ki kentup yau MP jongga Autonomous District Parliamentary Constituency Assam u Chief Executive Member jongga Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council lembat ki Executive Member u SP ka West Karbi Anglong District bat ki riau pait ba rengkat ki pulit nakaliang ki Board District jongga West Giant Hills pat lawan mi khmat da u Border Magistrate u ba Ferdinand Basan u ba BJ Kharshandi bat u DSP uba MJ Marngar bat ka kenhon ki pulit ki Board District jong West Giant Hills kila pensange no ya kani ka kenhon na Karbi Anglong tang hakhat sasla balasya tang ye ki kenrem kilendan ban let jurip shadow ka jingkieng kurilia bat kani ka jing jurip kala long hakalenti ka bajai jai
No problem. Nah, ada. Hukum nak. Yang ni ada pemilihan. Kabur. Our boundary zone between Meghalaya and Karbi is Umtang River. There we have nothing to do as such. So our Honorable CM also has completed, along with the Honorable CM, EM Chairman. We have nothing to do.
Just to visit to river.
Due respect to you and your CM, no information has been given from the district council regarding your visit to Mintam River.
See, one thing I want to know, on 13th when you came to destroy the BOP, was any information given to our authorities? No.
Before that, I request you, I think, see, again, I told you, said there's no public involved, but then again, now the public is again involved.
Okay. Let me clarify. We just want to see the board about the development activities taking. That's all. And then we inform the DC Karbi, this West Karbi, and the SP also. They are also accompanying us.
So we can maintain. We know about that one. The boundary, the natural boundary, whatever it may be, we want to pay a visit over there. That's what our chief is coming with us, and along with the honorable MP is here. Mr. Horen Singh B is here. Nothing is like that. What? Yeah, what is I'm SP within West Karbi Anglong? Yeah. But this DC West Karbi Anglong talk to with the DC with the exactly.
So they spoke. They didn't say that any people are coming. They said that there's going to be a rally.
Not really. No.
That's the information.
And see, not only the elected members in this, or the secretaries and the principal secretaries, all the officers are there.
We are not entering in a foreign country. We are in India. We are not entering into a foreign country. So you cannot stop, na? We are not going to do anything wrong, illegal, but you cannot stop.
We are not stopping. But we are just
No,
talking.
we are
about-
not doing any rally.
We already had a meeting. Remember, sir? I think
Yes,
we sat
yes.
together in Hamren. We deliberated.
You are
saying-
entering on our side and we are entering your side
Yes.
because we are living in India.
Yes,
You
correct.
cannot stop us.
Yes, it's true.
But if we do something, then you can stop us. We are not entering in for
No,
rally.
the only thing that we got information that there's a rally is happening.
No.
No, you have been misinformed.
That's why the misinformation comes from where? No one has to.
No, actually,
Would
see,
have been
just
better.
now sir has said, our DC sir has spoke to you DC. So our DC spoke to your DC.
For your information, for your information, DC has already told our DC that no rally will happen. No permission has been given for any rally.
Rally, no, we are doing it.
That's why. Then after that, he said that he didn't mention about CM coming, SP coming, DC. Otherwise, he himself would have come and be here with you. Okay. So that's why if you are coming, then it is also the honor of our deputy commissioner to come along with SP and be with you. No, so this is that really information was not given for us. No prior communication. We welcome all of you. This is like you said.
But I know DC already spoke to DC within days. But there is no rally.
We're not coming here for rally or nothing.
It's a cook-up story only.
So see, that's the thing. If the information is being given, no cook-up story. We know what exactly is happening, but we don't know what is happening. Yeah, now we know, so we'll have to speak to the inform him. Okay, yeah, we'll have to inform him. But my request to you is that all PM we can proceed. Of course. Because since you said that this is not
not for that.
Yes. So I think you should endorse that.
No, we also understand. I am also telling why he's the senior officer is his officer. So we know the responsibility.
He's the deputy chairman.
I know. Yes.
All the responsibility.
So we will speak to DC.
We are a company. Principal Secretary Government Autonomous Council is a company. Secretary is a company. And then Joint Secretary is a company. And then HOD is all line because we are also a company.
No, we understand, sir. Whatever intentions you have, but the thing is that no communication has been given. That official communication was not given to RA, no? So I don't understand why there's no effort. Some official communication could have been given to RA.
You people from that side, when you visit Karbin border, do you inform us? Do you inform the Karbin principals?
That's the point.
No.
That is the point.
That's the point. You never inform us. But even, it's our area. It's within our jurisdiction. Untang is the dividing zone, between you and us. So we can visit anytime.
We can't say that.
That is the thing.
How can we say?
Why not? 1951 demarcation clearly stated.
That's what I'm saying.
That is the thing, no? As of now, a political dialogue is going on between the Assam government and Meghalaya. We know pretty well about that. But the demarcations, as on 1951, it is still notified. You can go to the net also if you don't have. That one, you may honor or not. That is a different issue. Political dialogue is going on at the highest echelon, not at the lower echelon, the highest echelon. Let's put as on now, whatever 1950 demarcation committee stated about the dividing zone, and that is the natural boundary. Just because you see, our honorable CM, he is, like a cabinet minister. He's not like the CM of Governors Autonomous Council or James Davis. Our CM is, at par with cabinet ministers. So when the cabinet minister comes here, you people should honor him.
That's the thing. If the information is okay, we can honor him. But no information has to be how we honor him.
No, how can we give the information to you?
No, that's
because you see, it's our area, no? When I visit my house, Okay, fine. Will I tell you that I'm giving you my
Regarding the area, I don't think so. It is another level to speak that. You only said that at the highest level they take it. So until that matter is resolved at the highest level, I mean, me claiming, you claiming doesn't make
No. We are not coming to occupy our boundary. We are not coming to destroy the boundary below something like that. We are coming just to see because our honorable CM has not seen the Untang Ring. That is the reason.
This is the first time.
Last we want to see the
What you have kept one information.
How can we give the information? You just said the secretary told you just now. He said that about.
No, the thing is this, I think you're all aware of the situation happening in the last
Yes,
year.
of course.
So because of that, so this information is required from both ends. If we also come to your end, then we have to give that official communication because of the present situation. So I think we have to appreciate and
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
thank you.
This burger can see.